And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now what I have here is an option part set 17. We have the Aider costume, which looks like a nurse type of costume, as you can see in the box art. And yes, of course, I have to decide here it is the Aider costume, how you could uh, put it to your other characters, how it would look like. Of course, you can put in the nurse hat or without the nurse hat. And off to the side here it is some additional parts, and of course that portion that says about the blank faceplates that you have to put water slide decals of eyes for that. Now let's see and look what's inside the box. So we have one bag with face parts, clear pink plastic, and yellow hair parts. Another bag for face parts again, a darker shade of pink, lighter shade of pink, and last one, face parts, pink, multicolored, and of course the instruction manual wherein you can how you're going to build it, how you can customize it, and yes, of course, that portion on applying the water slide eyes for the blank face parts. Now let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Right, so first up we have the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue with some pink, flesh, and black, followed up by the B sprue here, which is all pink. And then with the C sprue, which is again a clear colored pink. Going to the D part, again, more cherry blossom pink or that light shade color pink. And then finally the E sprue, which is a darker shade of pink. We then have several face parts here. That black face part wherein you need the water slide decals. Another face part here. Still the same blank face part. More face parts. And the last of the face parts, I guess. And of course, we have the blonde hair part here. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this 30-minute Sisters option parts number 17, which is the Aider costume color A. And you can see most of it is color pink. And if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.